Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you what you can do if you have any connectivity or charging problem with your JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker. So in this case, it's worth to try to reset the factory settings of the speaker. But be aware that in this case the speaker will forget all the formerly paired devices, so you have to repair them again. So, to reset the speaker, first you have to make sure that it is turned on. And after that, press the volume up button and the Bluetooth buttons simultaneously till the speaker turns off. Now the speaker turned off, so you have to turn on again. And after that, hopefully it's ready to connect and be paired with your devices. So let me know if it has solved your problem, and of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. You were watching The Speaker Fanatic.